Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. I'm just bringing you another concept here using our mixing bowl. And this one I did a coffee basket using the Harry David coffee. And I have my kitchen towel as well as the matching pot holder in there as well. I decided to put the sugar cream hand soap in here as well as the coaster. And there's a nice pretty blue coffee cup in there as well. I think this concept is very plain, very simple, and very easy to do, and very affordable. I topped this with one of my bows. Getting better at those bows, still a work in progress. You all tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.